The 2026 Honda N600 marks the triumphant return of an iconic compact car that originally made waves in the late Ek No Chhe Safar and Ali Ek No Saath Safar. Now, with modern engineering, technology, and design, Honda breathes new life into this legendary nameplate, blending nostalgia with innovation in a package that's as charming as it is efficient. The all-new N600 is no longer just a memory from the past, it's a futuristic city car crafted to redefine the microcar segment for the modern world. From the outside, the 2026 Honda N600 preserves the spirit of the original with a retro-inspired silhouette. Its compact proportions are balanced by a sleek, minimalistic design language that draws from both the classic N series and Honda's current electric design philosophy. Rounded LED headlamps, flush door handles, and subtle chrome accents nod to the car's heritage, while new alloy wheels and two-tone color options give it a fashionable edge perfect for urban settings. Despite its small size, the N600 manages to appear bold and confident. Under the hood, the new N600 has undergone a complete transformation. Unlike the original gas-powered version, the 2026 model is fully electric. It's powered by a compact yet efficient electric motor that produces around 100 horsepower, delivering smooth acceleration ideal for city commuting. The lightweight frame and front-wheel drive configuration enhance agility, making tight city streets and parking spaces feel effortless. Its 35 kWh battery offers a range of approximately 200 km, around 125 mil, on a single charge, sufficient for daily drives, errands, or short weekend trips. Fast charging capabilities allow for 80% charge in just 30 minutes, a practical feature for busy urban lifestyles. Inside, the N Chhe Safar cabin maximizes space and functionality. Thanks to its upright stance and clever packaging, it offers more interior room than one might expect. The dashboard design remains simple yet elegant, with a fully digital instrument cluster and a 9-inch infotainment touchscreen compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Honda's signature Magic Seat system makes a return, offering folding and flipping seat options to expand cargo room when needed. Despite its size, the N600 is equipped with modern tech such as wireless phone charging, a 360-degree camera, and voice-activated controls. Honda has also equipped the N600 with the latest Honda Sensing Suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and traffic sign recognition. This makes the car not only safe but also semi-autonomous in specific driving conditions, a major plus for first-time drivers or urban dwellers. There's also an emphasis on sustainability, with the interior using eco-friendly recycled materials for the seats and panels. Overall, the 2026 Honda N600 is more than just a revival, it's a reinterpretation of Honda's small car legacy for the electric age. It combines affordability, practicality, and retro charm into a futuristic mobility solution. Ideal for city life, young professionals, or anyone looking for a second drive with personality, the new N600 delivers where it counts. With Honda's reliability and a focus on intelligent design, the sky is a statement, small in size but massive in impact.